Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload onto IGTV on your Instagram account from your desktop. Alright, so I'm here on my desktop right now and I'm on Instagram, and you want to make sure that you're signed in. This is me right here, and you want to click on your profile. From here, you want to go down and click on IGTV. Now this is going to be handy if you have like larger video files that aren't on your phone and they're on your computer, which is the case for me right now. So I've clicked on IGTV and then I'm going to click upload. It's going to say a couple of things here. Your video must be at least 15 seconds and or maximum 10 minutes long, and it must be an MP4 video file and less than 3.6 gigs. So right now I'm going to upload the video file that I want for IGTV. Okay, this is the video right here, and you can see that the percentage shows you the upload speed, so it's going decent. And then here, the details, you add in your title and description. So I already have my text ready to go, so I'm gonna paste it here in the description. I already have that going, so let's just make sure that it's all good. This is pretty much like not a tutorial video, but like a video we did on our YouTube channel where I was talking about our YouTube earnings for our single highest earning video. I just want to post that. Okay, so there you go. And then let's see here. And then I think I'm just gonna take this first line and put it as the title as well, just to keep things simple. And then here you can click post a preview. Previews appear on your profile and feed. So yes, I would like that to happen so that people will potentially see that on my profile and their feed if they're following me, and potentially go to my IGTV and check out my other videos. And it says here where your video will appear, and right now it's got checked IGTV and it's got my profile. So you can also connect your fan page as well. So if you want to connect your fan page, you can click that there. And if you're already signed in, it's going to pop up with your fan pages. So I am actually going to connect a page. So I'm going to click this one. This is our business page that I have with my business partner. And this is a video about our YouTube channel, so it works well. I'm going to click connect page. So it's going to post on my IGTV and then also our business fan page, which I've just connected. So it says here 100%. It's ready to go. And here you can add a cover as well. It says here these are the recommended dimensions. I've just uploaded like a small photo of myself just for the purpose of this exercise here. And then we're going to scroll down and click post. So now it's going to say uploading, and then it's the title that I put in, and it said not to exit out of that page until it goes on. So here we go. This is the IGTV video, and the title pops up right there, and now it's on my IGTV. So if I go over to my profile here on Instagram, on my posts, you can see that the video is also on my profile as well. And when it has this little small symbol here, that means it's like on IGTV. So it's on my personal profile on Instagram, and it's on my IGTV as well. So that is how you upload to your IGTV on your Instagram from desktop. So if I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.